It's time. You see that thumbnail, you see that title. Y'all know what we got inside today's box. Super excited. I already had to break these things open, but I got to give you guys this raw reaction because I took a little sneak peek at them, a little quick sneak peek. But it's time to check these things out all the way with you guys. So stick around, stay tuned. Let's get right into today's unboxing over my ultimate grail, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to today's video. And again, like you see in the little intro, bro, give you guys a quick little teaser of what we're talking about today, man. This is my ultimate grail. And this is a pair that hit for retail, like I said. And this is one of the ones that I had to double up on before the prices get too crazy. Before we get any further, before we start talking anymore, if y'all new here, you rocking out with the vibes, make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up, man. Every single like count. It helps the channel grow, and I want to push this out, bro. I need to help some folks out. These right here, it's the best time to snag them. They dropped a little bit more, you know, after the release, so this is the perfect time to double up. You know, so I might have pulled the trigger a little too early on the double up, but it is what it is. Only went down a couple bucks, man. But with all that being said, let's jump right into today's unveiling of the ultimate grail from your boy, The Vintage. And yeah, man, it might be time for you to pull that trigger. All right, guys, like I said, man, I already unboxed these. I just had to, you know, put them back inside the box in order to bring them back to where I'm at. You guys know I'm all over the place. I'm all over the United States right now, so it's kind of hard to get my packages into one location, but we got it here today. And again, bro, I've been collecting sneakers for about 10, 11, 12 years. I'll just say about 12 years. Wasn't really going too crazy when I first started, but it really started ramping up, you know what I'm saying, in the middle of those 10 or 12 years. And this, you know, sneaker silhouette is something that, you know, I start buying first. And once I show you guys the box, you're gonna know exactly what we have. And without further ado, man, let's go ahead and do it, bro. Finally, let's do it, man. This is here. Look at the box. The box is so crazy, man. Oh, man, I told y'all, when I first seen him, I took a little sneak peek because, again, this is a shoe I've been wanting for over 10 years, so I had to take a little peek, man. But this is going to be my first time grabbing these things all the way out of the box and checking them out. And yes, sir, man, let's go ahead and get into it. We got to get into it. Dope tissue paper right here. And, yeah, we got to pull them out, man. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Here we have it. Look at that box out of the way, man. You guys see it, bro. We have the Galaxy foam posits, man. The OG guys that broke the internet, that went crazy all over social media back in the day. You know, if they're pushing that type of, you know, momentum and hype back then, what it would do in today's day and age. Say, for instance, we didn't get this retro, it will be crazy, you know what I'm saying? Especially today's day and age with technology, bots and stuff like that. But we did get this released back in 2012, if I'm not mistaken. And now we are here in 2025, and we finally got them back, the Galaxy Foamposite ones, man. You guys know I had to finish the pack, bro. You guys already know, man. We got the Big Bang joints right here. Check them out. This is one of my first ones that I bought because I was like, man, I ain't got the money for the Galaxies. So it was going for like $1,100, $1,200 my size. So I said, let me go ahead and get the Big Bangs when these released back in 2017. I want to say it released in 2017 or 2018, not too sure. But of course, 2025, your boy The Vintage was gonna go crazy on copping a pair, and I had to double up. So when you guys see an unboxing soon, it's gonna be one of the ones that I'm trying to remind you guys. You need to double up while you can, or not even double up, sorry, let me not misspeak. I need you guys to get a pair before it is too late. So it's kind of like, you know, when I double up on shoes, I think it's one of the ones that you might want to, you know, put a little more energy towards, because a lot of people watching my videos that, you know, kind of on the fence, don't know if they should pull the trigger, when the best time to pull the trigger. And you guys can see, man, the dip is really, it's going to be at its lowest point for these Galaxies, man. But let's take a moment to just appreciate the great Foamposite Galaxies, man. Look at these things right here, man. I am loving it. And it's something that I've seen, you know, a lot of people complain about is the toe box. Right here, you guys see it's like a black hole on both of the sneakers. And I do not think that the 2012 pair or the 2013, whenever they came out, came like that. I think it was all over Galaxy on the toe box and around the entire sneaker. For the 2025s, for some reason, they added this little black hole on the toe box, which you really don't see when you're looking at that quick. But the shoe, the colorway itself, bro, it just takes the whole cake. Nothing about the shoe I can complain about. I am forever, happy that I was able to hit on these for retail. So the double up pair, it was like one of the ones, I was literally already about to pull the trigger on the release date when it was going for like 500. It just spiked back up. But I seen that dub came through, shout out to Bay, and I said, oh, I don't even got to pay resale? It just got even more better. But down below in the comment section, man, I did want to ask you guys if you were able to snag the Galaxy foam posits. This is one of them ones. I know there's a lot of people out there that don't even wear foams, but they know about the Galaxies. They know about the Big Bangs. They know about the DBs, the Paranorms, those hyped foam posit colorways, which kind of, hints that, this colorway, this silhouette in itself is one of the ones that people, are interested in. They just don't want to go out and get every single, colorway, if that makes sense. Just like with the Jordan line, you get a whole bunch of, dope colorways that are not OG, that's not hyped, and they end up not grabbing because it's nothing nostalgic. It's nothing that's eye-popping like this, you know what I'm saying? These right here are my ultimate grails, bro. Ultimate grails. I'm super happy. You guys see, get the remove before flight, and I didn't even show you guys the bottom. You already see these 100 times. That's why we had to, hurry up and show y'all before y'all forget these even released. But this is right here my sneaker of the year. I don't care no more. This is my sneaker of the year. You guys see, you have the glow in the dark outsoles right here, nice translucent, and of course you got your black pods in between, and then the carbon fiber plate, and on the back you got your penny logo right there on the pull tab. And something cool about the foam pods, the ones, the pros, whatever you want to do, both of them have the double pull tabs. So you got them on the tongue and on the heel, and it makes it a little bit easier to put on and slip off. And something that I've never seen, bro. Well, I seen one player do it, and I believe it was Norris Cole, played for Miami Heat, wearing a pair of foam posits on court. I know it probably happened a lot, but some notable players that I can remember is Norris Cole. You guys probably don't even know who that is. I'm just rambling right now just because I want to keep showing y'all we got them grails. This is my ultimate sneaker of all time. Like, this is my favorite shoe, bro. My favorite shoe. And it's taking me so long to get them. And shouts out to Nike for actually bringing them out. Shouts out, to Penny for even, letting us get these joints again. I'm pretty sure some type of clearance has got to go through him. I don't know. Maybe I'm just talking. But I'm just happy that we got these guys. Again, like I said, man, the prices are currently on the dip right now. They're currently on the dip. And I'm pretty sure they're going to stay a little bit lower in between the next couple of months. But once again, around them summer times and winter time, when it's around that, holiday season, the pairs are going to continue to just screwed up, bro. This is what happens. It's literally what happens. History repeats itself, especially with the Galaxies. But the only difference between these and the 2012 pair is it was already going for a stack off rip. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what the stock number was back then, but I know it wasn't a crazy amount of stock of these Galaxies I retroed here in 2025, man. But I am loving them. They smelling good. They looking good. I don't care about the little black hole on the toe box. I am super happy that I finally have them. Like, just checking them out is just crazy. I cannot believe that I have these joints in hand. So you guys know a fit got to come very, very soon for these, because, hey, like I said, bro, this is what other was, bro. I'm so excited, man. I'm bad, y'all. I know I'm talking and rambling just because I'm happy, and I just had to, share my unboxing experience with you guys. Like, I can't believe I got them, man. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for tapping in. Subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell ASAP so you don't miss on any content. And I say I already run them likes up. Y'all run them likes up right now. It helps the channel grow, man. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Also been said, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.